just an ecosystem. That's just how it is. God created you just because he wanted to see himself. His voice was echoing to him. He wanted something, he wanted to live, wanted to see himself. So he created Adam. And he created Earth. And all the other planets. Created day, created night, animals. Something that could reflect love. That could reflect him. Because he is love, he is everything. So you as a human being are nothing without God. And God is nothing without you. Because without me or you, it goes back to be nothing. Which is what it is right now. You've forgotten him. So he's unforgettable, he's nothing. He does not exist. Same thing on you. Without him, you are nothing. You are matter. You'll die. That's why you're so sick. You are meant to coexist, to live between two worlds, the spiritual world and the material world, the mental world. The world that cannot be seen and this world that you can see by naked eyes. That's what it was meant to be. You to interconnect the spiritual world and the material world. That's why you have two minds, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind will represent the spiritual world, the unseen world, where it will whisper to you some things that you're experiencing from the conscious mind, because the conscious mind is for everyday life, for what you are experiencing. Take that, you interpret it to the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind interprets it for you. That's why you're born without knowing what's your name, what's 1 plus 1, but without knowing anything. And you smell, you hear, you see, you observe, you take it as data, and that data is interpreted by the subconscious mind into information, then converted into knowledge, which is then wisdom, if you apply it. That's what it is. That's just what it is. So right now you are waiting for the second coming of God, which is something that does not exist, which means you are lacking knowledge, and those that have knowledge are not even applying it. And if you are not applying knowledge, that means God does not exist, because you are not God. If you want to see God, you have to become him. That's just what it is. That's just what it is.